See the poll projections, which shows it's going to be a very, very close call. How well do you see the chances for the BJP, especially in your own constituency? What are your prospects like? Because you're contesting and taking on a man who's been the former Chief Minister of Delhi.
So he basically, to answer your first question, we are definitely winning this fight. BJP is definitely making a majority government in Delhi. There's no doubt about that. And when you talk about taking on a CM who didn't deliver, he also took on a CM. And he ran away in 49 days. He ran away from his Janta Darbar. He ran away from giving answers. He's running away from debating with me. He's running away from God life, man. What are you here to do? You know, if you set out to do something, Bedi. I have been asking him on all TV channels. Of course, that's why I'm asking him. Let's come first. First, you come here in New Delhi and let's have a good debate. Why is he not doing it? What is his problem? What stops him?
But now remember, Arvind Kejriwal and the other Aam Aadmi Party leaders have gone ahead and filed a complaint with the Election Commission saying that the EVMs, the electronic voting machines, are being tampered with and it's malfunctioning.
And then he also took that back. He also took that
The Election Commission said that there is no such malfunction.
Okay, so this is the sequence of things. Complaining that there is an EVM malfunction. Did you not complain last year in the last Vidhan Sabha elections? Why didn't you? That actually means that you're scared. They're scared that they might actually be very badly defeated. They have broken the trust of people. You're Samia, right? Yes. Samia, they've broken the trust of people. That's not how a government runs. That's absolute dissertation, and the voters here felt orphaned. And the city, the state felt orphaned because he was the CM. Remember when he took oath, the kind of tall promises he made? You don't run away. Don't be impractical. Be reliable, stable, practical, and make rational promises that you can actually deliver on. At least work. Look like you're working to deliver on them. He did nothing. He just ran away because he's just hungry for his 15 minutes of fame.
Having said that, while BJP and the Aam Aadmi has locked horns to contest the upcoming Delhi elections, here is the Congress Party campaign chief Ajay Maken, who is saying that he is dismissing the poll and the surveys, which is showing not a very bright prospect for Congress, but he says that Congress will be coming forward and forming the government in Delhi. What would you say to that?
Congress is a party which likes to keep itself in good humor, you know, and probably they are living in denial.
Calling Aam Aadmi Party BJP's B party.
How can that be? Because if I remember correctly, it was Congress which gave support to Aam Aadmi Party, and their chief minister, Mrs. Sheila Dikshit ji, who actually ruled Delhi for 15 years, went on record to say, we are going to go with AAP if there's ever a broken mandate. Everybody knows. I mean, you don't need any more proof that who's alter ego or team B.